Welcome to The Key. John Monaghan, retired captain, founder of The Key. It's August 25th, 2026. That means it's 6 weeks until the filing period opens for the 2027 sergeant's test. Filing period opens October 7th. All right, this is an update video. This is the second update video. We left off with Interwater 62. We're going to pick up with Interwater 64. The first couple of changes, there's not a lot. It's one page. It's on our website. Take a look at it. The first two, really not a big deal. They changed assistant to the mayor to first deputy mayor. Not going to be worth a point on your exam. That's in 33216, requesting to leave the city on business. The next one is Water 66. You know, a chaplain or surgeon has the assimilated rank of inspector. They added unless they're a two-star chief. Some of them have been given a higher designation. So that goes into 30401. Book 1, Lesson 2, the duty jacket. This one is important. This goes into 30503 on page 34 of our lesson plan. And it says when you're wearing a duty jacket, it has to be zipped up to the bottom of the shield. Zipped up to the bottom of the shield at all times. Can't have the jacket open. Zipped up, not just zipped up, to at least as far as the bottom of the shield at all times. That's an important one for our test. Vision Order 71, Lesson 5, Book 2. Not going to be worth a point. Hate Crimes Unit has been reverted back to Hate Crimes Task Force. So HCU is now HCTF in the lesson plan. All right, into Order 72, Lesson 5, Book 2. The department has ceased operation of the How Did We Do public feedback initiative. So in 20707, page 15 in our lesson plan, we had a set of bullets that said customer survey. You had to ask certain questions and had to be put into the details of the 61. They're all gone. All these changes are on our COP system. So go to your lesson plan, make the ink changes if you have been studying with the hard copy, and also go online and verify that you got it right because the updated version is up on COPS. Okay. The next one is Interwater 70, or Revision Order 73, Lesson 6 in Book 2. 20883, that's the religious head covering thing. What it says is they added one line in that says, treat them and give them the same privacy as you would of a strip search. So they want it to be conducted in the same way we would conduct a strip search. So that's one line added in to 20883. That's on page 20 of our lesson plan. And the last one, Revision Order 74, Lesson 8, Book 2, regarding vendors, general or food vendors. If you're just giving them the oath summons and not getting any C summonses in relation to it, you don't bring them into the house, the person. You do not bring the violator into the house unless you're also writing a C summons for that interaction. Then you can bring them in or write the C summons, but you don't bring them into the house for an oath summons for a vendor, general vendor or food vendor. That's it for now. As the interwaters come in, I will continue giving these updates. And remember, preparation is the key.